everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I am sharing with you some projects that I am working on, one that I just finished, and some things that I want to do for the summer. So let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to the channel if you are returning. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Denise and I'm here at Sewlimitless. So the first project that I've just recently completed is this Quick Sew 4181 short. I'll have to put up a picture. I think it's mostly, I often combine views. So this here, and I made them in pink. One of the main differences that I did with mine is that I did not do the drawstring in the waistband because they already have elastic. I don't want to have to deal with the drawstring too. That's just an extra step that I don't see as really being necessary. And I actually added 3 inches of length to the shorts, so they would have been really short if I had not done that. As they are now, I really like them. I decided that I'm always doing workout gear for the winter. That's often a January, February project for me. And I very rarely think about it in the summer, even though I still exercise in the summer. So I wanted something that I could wear, and I wanted something bright. I made these in like a hot pink fabric, and that turned out really well. So that's the thing that I've just completed. And as I said, that is Quick Sew 4181 on that for the short. There's the top also. I was going to make the top as well, but the fabric that I have that I was going to use, I think it's better suited to swimwear, so I'm not going to use that. I may make the top, but I'll have to look through my fabric stash to see what else I have that's more appropriate for like a wicking type fabric. So I'll see what I have. As far as what I'm currently working on, I've seen so many really nice, pretty, cute summer dresses, and I wanted something like that. So this is what I'm currently working on. It's not quite done. This is McCall 7742. This one here, and I am making view B on this, so I have to attach that ruffle. I did take a couple of quick pictures just to see what it looks like on right now. As I said, it's not done, and it's shorter. I mean, it's a short dress, you can tell from the pattern envelope. I did not add any length to this. Like, that's something that I would normally do. I did not do that this time. I probably will the next time around. If I do this again, I would add like anywhere from 3 to 5 inches at the bottom. But this is such a nice fabric, and it's a good weight. It's a chambray fabric, so it's a denim chambray. It's nice and lightweight, but it's got good movement and all of that. So I think it's really going to be very comfortable for this particular pattern, for this particular dress. So this one is the first one of that. So that is what I'm currently working on. Now, as far as some others that I was thinking about, I think over a year ago, I had this pattern. This is Butterick 6674, and this is a summer dress pattern with a few variations there. And I have this fabric. I've had this sitting together for that pattern, this fabric here. This is a stretch cotton sateen, I believe. And I think it would be perfect for this. I've already got all the pink floral buttons for this. Everything's ready. I just haven't done it. I might do like a lightweight lining. When I do a lining for something like that, that's not, say for example, you don't actually have to do a lining, or you don't have a lining piece, what I will normally do is use something like a cotton batiste fabric that is nice and lightweight. It's very soft. You can get it in white. I've gotten pale yellow and pale blue before, but I would use something like that. It's just a lightweight fabric, and it's very comfortable. It washes and dries really well. So that's the type of thing that I would use for lining, something like this. But yeah, I'm thinking that this pattern and that fabric would be really nice. Another one that I had also in the same bag, I'm not sure if I've got fabric, I think I do have fabric for this, is McCall's 8032. They call this one Blythe McCall's. I'm not sure which version of this I would make, and I would probably maybe add a few inches length onto this. These patterns, this one for example, well, this one's from 2020, so it's not terribly old. You know, I'm working through the patterns that I have because I have so many, so I'm not actually buying a lot of brand new things. I'm going through my pattern stash and my fabric stash because I have so much. So this one is a woven, calls for woven fabrics, cotton blends, things like that. So this one will be probably, hopefully, another one that I may do in the near future. Now, one pattern that I've actually cut the paper pattern pieces out, I've not cut out the fabric yet, is this one. It's Simplicity 1417. Now this one is an older pattern. I do like the style of this, and I wanted to make myself something, I did also want to make myself something a little bit dressier because you never know when you need something. So that's also something that I'm planning to do. As I said, when I cut out my pieces, I store them in these, I think they're 2.5 gallon bags. These are hefty bags. Ziploc makes them as well. And I put all of that together. And then when I cut out the fabric pieces, I also store them in these big bags. And that way I can keep track of all my pattern pieces. And also, if you do this, put your notions, your zippers, buttons, whatever else you need in the bag with all of this. That way you're not going to be searching for your different parts when you need it to complete your outfit. That, I think, is it for this video. Let me know what you all are working on. If you have any dress pattern suggestions, leave it down below in the comments. Let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and if you hit that notification bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. I thank you all for watching, and I hope you're doing well, and take care, guys. Bye-bye.